Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm you have Azure AD and Intune admin roles and a remote help license assigned. Once done, open the Microsoft Intune console and choose the remote help blade. Next, search for the target device by name or device ID and start a request. This is the first actionable step because it creates a secure assistance channel. Make sure the end user sees the incoming request, prompt, and accepts the connection, so you can proceed to elevated support if needed. Once the user accepts, establish a secure connection by selecting standard or elevated access depending on task scope. Elevated allows admin-level fixes. Make sure to request any temporary code or multi-factor confirmation the session requires, and enable screen sharing and file transfer only when necessary. While connected, explain each action to the user so they understand changes. Simultaneously, annotate the session in Intune's device timeline and enable session logging for compliance. This helps both troubleshooting and audit trails after you end the session. Finish by applying fixes, restart services, run sign scripts or adjust settings, and verify the user's issue is resolved before ending the session. Once satisfied, revoke any elevated access, end the remote help session, and export or save session logs to the device case notes for future reference. If the connection fails, immediately check Intune service health, device online status, and local firewall or network restrictions. If needed, ask the user to re-enroll the device or reinstall the remote help client to restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.